Okay, so I am walking down Station Road back to the train station, train platforms. Yes. I don't know what I wanted to do really. I've just walked where I wanted to walk, and then obviously the town centre was a bit busy. It's not that bad really, but yeah, I am going to walk down to the station platforms and wait for the train to go back to Halifax. And hope. And the thing is, my mouth's not as numb now. I kind of forgot, actually, but it's like certainly not as numb as what it was. So basically, if you're watching this before other videos, I went to the dentist, which feels like a long time ago now, and I had to have 3 fillings and fill a hole in my tooth. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go. Ooh, why not? Instead of going straight down, I'm gonna go straight up. Bit of a change. Vary it up a tiny bit. Yeah, as soon as I got to like the centre really, that's when I started to see people again. And as soon as I walked out of the centre a tiny bit, just that's it. People have just been sparsely spread out. I remember bits from before. Oh yeah. Right, I know this bit. And when I did like a 8-9 mile walk in and around Morley, I was like, oh yeah. As I was on the train, someone went, "Is Morley nice?" I went, "Yeah, Morley's nice. It's a nice stop. You don't feel a bit unnerving. You don't feel a bit uncomfortable. If you're in Batley, which is not even that far away from here at all. In Batley, you just feel very like on edge a little bit, like, oh no. But then literally you just go the tiniest little bit away and it is fine. Amazing though how many people are actually in the centres. Also as well, a lot of people sat inside. I'm like, right, okay then. Like, okay. Oh shucks. Keep doing that. There keeps being bits of where the path just drops. And I'm like, oh, I need to just lift my foot up now, and then parts of the road just disappear. Oh, hello. Okay. We're at a junction, there's no one there. What does that mean? You go. This is a very nice area. Morley's nice. The stops in between that are just wank. Honestly, just utter wank. And I'm like, I can kind of understand why people are getting on to get away from those places. But Morley it's nice. Morley's nice. No matter really what the weather, Morley's nice. Now let's see. That's a public footpath sign. I've literally just came from the correct bit of road. No vehicles beyond this point. Now, according to the map, it says it's there. So, I'm going to go this way. It does feel really strange that next week is my Way of the Roses trip. I mean, I feel like I've done plenty now, and I've only been in one place. I've only been to one place, and then it's like, oh, I'll be going to several places. I actually can't remember where this goes. I've been on here before, but I can't remember where it goes. I know I literally came off Station Road, went up the steps, came down the hill. Oh wow. Okay. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm at the station now. I'm literally up above. Oh wow. Oh okay. Oh wow. I am back at the station, well, back at the platforms anyway. Awesome. Let's see how many people are waiting at the platforms, eh? Because when I got off, there was 2 people waiting on the side I'm about to get on, and then 3 people got off, and then yeah. Damn. Feels weird. I'm seeing people now. I'm seeing people that are wanting to get the train. Oh, hello. Just wait a moment. Okay. They're like, we're not. Oh, I'm just going to go because people need to observe. There's quite a few people, but I need to be on that side, that platform there, going back to Halifax. What time is it now? It's 10 to 1. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, I thought there might be quite a lot of people waiting for the Leeds train. See, it makes sense. So it makes sense though, if you're wanting to catch the train to Leeds, that you wait at that side of the platform. You don't wait at that side of the platform, because then you just go in all the different stops to then go back to Leeds. Whereas like Leeds is just like the next one. So where I got off, it's just here, then Leeds. So if you want to go to Leeds, you just wait at this side. You don't go to the other platform. Oh. Very good. Right. When I get to the platform, I'll wrap the video up. Because normally I'll oh. Oh. Hello. Oh, how sweet. Normally I'll do a vlog and then I'll get to the train station or train platforms and then vlog. But because I'm doing this now, you kind of see what I'm saying? I'm already here. I'm walking back. You'll see what I'm on about with Leeds. If you want to go to Leeds, instead of going to Leeds on my platform that I'm going to get on, you just go on the other side. See what I'm saying? You don't go to Leeds on this side. You go to... Oh, actually, no. You... Nice. Oh wow, that's a full train as well. Oh shit. Oh man. So, wow. Whoa! Holy shit! Okay, I think I might have timed that really, really well. Stand clear. Watch this. Look what the next train is. 12:57. Expected 12:59. And it's 12:54. So it's coming in like 5 minutes. Oh wow, I timed that well. Okay, right. Right. What I'm going to do is wrap the video up. I can guarantee the train I'm on in a moment isn't as full as the one that's to the side of me, going towards Leeds. The thing I do want to just double check is that it is stopping at Halifax. Yes, it is. Right, cool. 141. Awesome. That is so cool. So, it comes in 5 minutes. But the people that were behind me coming onto this platform, I can't do it twice in a row, can I? Get off, be the only one to be getting off. Get on, be the only one to get on. No, I'm not. Nearly. Right, thanks so much for now. So when I get back to Halifax, I'll record again, and then I'll make my way back to Westvale, and then get back home, etc. So thanks so much for now, and goodbye.